how to delete playlists on YouTube with thumbnail. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you guys about a brand new way through which you guys can quickly delete playlists on YouTube with thumbnail. Simply come over to your YouTube channel settings, then click on the left side on playlists, and then after that simply choose the playlist that you guys want to delete and then click on this pencil icon next to it. Now once you guys do this, it's gonna take you over to the playlist, and then from over here you guys can just simply click on these three dots, and then after that all you need to do is simply click on delete playlist, and this playlist is going to be deleted and you guys won't have a playlist anymore. So over here, as soon as I refresh this particular page, you guys can see that now that particular playlist is gone, and that is how easy it is for you guys to delete a playlist as well. You guys can delete as many playlists as you want from over here. There's no limit whatsoever, but you guys just have to follow this method and it's gonna work perfectly for you guys. So guys, if you found this video to be helpful, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and take care till next time. Goodbye.